Beautiful. Put in the fucking paint. Here. Once I take the back tire off, the bitch is gonna go forward. Perfect. Like a rock. Oh, like a rock. Make it jiggy with it, bro. When I say I'll be in trouble, I'll be in motherfucker. Then I'll put you on train shit too. That'll be fucking awesome. If I don't, we're gonna make one. Go. That'll fucking work. I'm glad I kept these things. Oh, I gotta cut them all. I gotta put a screwdriver in. Woof. Oh, come on. Where's the pipe? In here. Oh. You fucking piece of shit. Oh, this is gonna be a motherfucker. Fuck! Just a minute, bro. Come off now. There you go, sweet pea. Now, take your no mess filter, stick it in here like so. It's still gonna make a mess. You hook her on, you know. That should burn. Burn.
Oh yeah, what you got going on here?
Just oil change and shit. You
right.
Change the oil. Good fucking work. So what the fuck does this mean? I do that shit fucking every day. I do that shit on fucking Captain Crunch. Before I take this fairing off, thinking about it. What time is it?
Change what?
The headlight.
The headlight?
Yeah. I just know what it's like taking the fucking fairing off a road glide. It's fucking horrible.
What's wrong with the handlebars?
Those two bolts I stripped out. The handlebars are loose. When I fucking whacked that thing in the driveway, the handlebars were in my lap. More than I was expecting. You know what the sad part is? I fucking hate this bike. I'm over it. Because I've had it for too long. Yeah, everybody likes this bike. I'm like, I just don't even want it. I'm done with it. That's usually what I do. I'm just over it. I'm done. for this shit tomorrow.